welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to do a holiday glam. It's like a holiday glam. And so I did my brows off camera, and now I'm going to set or prime my lids and conceal them. So I'm going to be using two different concealers. I'm going to be using the Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer and the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So I'm going to go in with the Becca one first. This one is really good. And I don't set my concealer, so I really like how these like make my eyeshadows look. Eyeshadows. And so I did that. And then this one's really thick and creamy. And so this one is a little bit more like I can blend it out faster, or why can't I fucking talk? This one's a lot like more liquidy, I guess, than the other one. That one's definitely like really creamy. So I'm just going to clean up my brows and then get started. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. This is from like her brush collection, and this is the JH33. And I'm going in with my James palette. It's so dirty already, but I think, okay, so I'm gonna go in with this red right here. And this, I'm gonna pack this in my crease. Look at my eye, it looks so funny. But I'm just packing that in my crease. And this look isn't gonna be like too red. I just want some color in here. And I'm gonna go in with like more of a brownish orange on top to blend it out. But I just want this in my crease. Again, like I said, just to add some color. I'm gonna go in with a M441 brush by Morphe. And then I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a warm toned orange brownish color. And I'm gonna be blending the red out with this. And so I'm just gonna pack that color sort of on top like that and blend. Actually, I should do it on this side since this is the one that like actually. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with the red real quick just to make sure that color is still there. Okay, now I'm going back into this palette. I'm gonna go in to this color right here, and I'm mixing it with this brown up here. I'm just mixing these two colors. And so using this small brush, I'm going to outline where my crease is.
That's good.
Oh wow, that's a lot. Okay, I'm just outlining, yeah. I wish I could see how pigmented this is. My phone is like not picking up the pigmentation. Okay. Now I'm going to cut my crease. And I'm gonna use a paintbrush again. because now I am going to set my lid very, very lightly. I'm not gonna put a lot of product on it because I'm still gonna go in with glitter glue. So I'm just gonna go in with this shimmer shade right here and lightly pat that to set the lid. Again, not putting a lot. I just want even base so that when I go in with the glitter, you don't see the concealer underneath. Now I'm going to be mixing some glitters for this look. So I'm gonna be mixing 4 different glitters because I want them to be chunky and just like different types of gold. Okay, so what you're gonna do is press on the glitter, tap off the excess, because we don't want glitter all over your face. Oh wow, that's so pretty. And then press. I'm gonna go in with this glitter liner from Urban Decay. This is the Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just gonna line on top of this. Just outline it. You can't even see it that much, can you?
That's good.
This Midnight Cowboy is supposed to be gold, but it looks silver. But it's okay, it adds some contrast. Okay, I went ahead and put some lashes on, and I put some primer on actually. So I used the Milani Prime Light Face Primer just to add some glow to my skin. And I'm actually gonna go in with some Fix Plus too. My lashes are kind of wonky, but I don't know. And this is the Fix Plus that has like glitter in it. So yeah. Okay, so the foundation I'm going in with today, is this my color? Yeah. I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Stick Foundation. I haven't used this in a while, but I'm really excited because I love how this foundation photographs, and I need some bomb pictures for Instagram, so this will look good. And I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe M439 foundation brush and blend this all out. Actually, I already messed up. I didn't put any there. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all this in. I haven't used this foundation in a long time. I really like how this foundation comes out in pictures, but in person, it's like kind of caking. And it's because I have oily skin, so it gets kind of cakey. Okay, so I'm going to cream contour today. I haven't done that in such a long time. So I'm gonna go in with the HD foundation also, but this is just in a darker shade. I used to use this all the time, and I haven't in a long time. And I'm gonna contour my nose with it. I should have done my concealer first though. Fuck it, we'll just see how this looks. I wanted to use my MAC concealer because I haven't used it in a long time either. But oh my god, what is this? Oh, it's like so close up. But I haven't used it in a long time, so I don't know. But I'm just gonna use it today. Fuck it. But I need a little brush to apply it. Oh yes. I haven't had like a under eye highlighting concealer like this bright in a long time. I'm gonna start using this again. I honestly forgot that I had it until I was like, okay, I'm gonna film today, but I don't want to use the same stuff that I always use. I'm gonna take some stuff out. All right, now I'm going to set it with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. Like always, I'm loving this concealer. Oh my god, I'm gonna start using it again. Why did I stop? And I just spent like 40 bucks on the freaking Becca one, if not more. So I'm gonna go in with this color that I used earlier on my eyes. It's so pretty on the cheeks. It looks like a peachy, but yet still very bronzy, orangey blush. Okay, that's a little too much, but I'll fix it in a second. Oh, it's so pretty. And a little bit on my forehead because my forehead be creasing hard. All right, so now I'm going to finish up the eyes. I'm gonna do the same thing here, so I'll be right back because I mean you already know how to do that, so be right back. All right, so before I go in with mascara, I am going to set my face, and I think I'm gonna go in with the glitter one today instead of the mattifying one, just to give me more of a glow. And so I'm going in with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Gold Light. And this is it. You can see it has like little specks of gold in there. So just a little bit, not too much, because sometimes it makes me look yellow because of the gold. With highlighter now, and I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette again. And I'm gonna go in with this one and this one, just mix these two. That's kind of what I've been using lately. And you'll see why. Look at that. Wow. Now I'm going to do my lips and mascara. And so I think I'm gonna go in with a very basic lip, per usual, surprise, surprise. So I'm gonna go in with this Morphe lip liner in the shade Spiffy and line my lips and also like fill them in a little bit. I just went in with the Morphe lip gloss in the shade Freebird, and I actually got this like little trio set. I think I threw away the box, but it came with a lip liner, a lipstick, and then I think the lipstick is in my purse, in my car. Or is it this one? Oh, it's right here. So it came with these three, and I literally love it. I think I'm gonna go with the lipstick on top, but the lip gloss is in the name Freebird. This is Spiffy. And this is in the name Matte. Oh, and the name Honey. I was trying to figure out what the hell it said. Okay, so that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.